Hi and welcome to SIMATIC and ET200 in Industries. This time about wastewater. I'm Kevin and with me is Ralph, professional in wastewater applications. Hi Ralph. Hello Kevin. Mechanical cleaning has removed coarse contaminants in the first step. Now comes the biological cleaning. This process must be monitored around the clock. We want to avoid large deviations. Ralph, what is important here? Billions of microorganisms help with biological purification. These convert dissolved substances into biomass, which can then be separated again mechanically. However, this also means that the optimum living conditions for these microorganisms must be maintained. If there are major deviations here, these helpers are endangered and the whole process can come to a standstill. And you are right, this must not happen under any circumstances. So I need an on-site control system that reliably regulates the supply of oxygen, temperature control, the addition of metal salts and the pumping out of the biomass under all circumstances. And that's where the ET200 comes in, for example. I have all the functions I need here decentrally: measurement technology, motor control and a fast and precise response to environmental influences. Local diagnosis increases availability and thus ensures the survival of microorganisms. Biological cleaning is more complex than the previous steps. And here's something else to consider: a reporting of quality specifications, plant data for my maintenance staff, and I need to protect my plant from outside interference. Exactly. Security against external intervention is becoming increasingly important. Here, not only the integrated security functions of the SIMATIC family provide support, but also a comprehensive protection concept for the entire plant. For this, our customers receive a comprehensive white paper and a configuration description for compliance with the IEC 62443 standard. This means that nothing stands in the way of my plant being certified. At the same time, end-to-end diagnostics increase its availability.